Hey there! Is your iPhone screen going black during calls? It's super annoying when you cannot manage your call properly. Don't worry though, I've got a simple guide to help you fix this issue and get your screen working like it should. Let's dive into these easy steps to get your iPhone back on track. Check your proximity sensor to see if it's working. First, open the App Store. Tap on the search bar. Type "Check my device" into the search field. Once installed, tap Open to launch the app. Then look for the option to find the proximity sensor. Open that section. Try covering the sensor with your hand and see if it detects the issue. If you notice problems here, it might be due to your screen protector or a hardware issue. To address this, follow the solutions below. Solution 1. Check for screen protector or case interference. Sometimes a screen protector or case can interfere with the proximity sensor. Remove any screen protector or case and check if the screen issue is resolved. Solution 2. Clean the proximity sensor. The proximity sensor located near the top of your iPhone screen could be dirty or obstructed. Gently clean the area around the sensor with a soft, dry cloth. Test your phone to see if the screen stays on during calls. Solution 3. Update iOS. Open Settings, then scroll down and tap General. Next, tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Follow the on-screen instructions to update your iPhone. Check if the screen issue is fixed after updating. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open Settings, then scroll down and tap General. Next, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. After that, select Reset all settings. Enter your passcode if prompted and confirm the reset. This will reset your settings to default but won't delete your data. Check if the screen issue is resolved. Solution 5. Contact Apple Support. If none of the above solutions work, the issue might be hardware related. Contact Apple Support for further assistance. They can help diagnose the problem and provide repair options if needed. That's it! Now you know how to fix your iPhone screen going black during calls. If you have any questions or need more help, just drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.